Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yep, one broken compressor fridge. So let's troubleshoot this and see if we can get this alive again. A very common problem with fridges that has some kind of remote panel is that the control box for the remote goes bad and the fridge stops working, and those are really expensive. And yeah, basically all fridges are the same. It's a box of some kind of styrofoam as insulation and a Danfoss compressor and a control box. On this one it says isotherm. They are all the same, no matter of what brand, model. It's a Danfoss compressor with a control box from Danfoss or some copy of it. So it is the same. If you talk to anyone that works with fridges or freezers, they will say the same. The only difference between an Vaeco, a Dometic, isotherm is basically some different colors and stickers on them. They are the same. Yeah, different looks and something, but the mechanics and everything is the same. So the easiest way to fix an fridge freezer with external controller is just to take it away and bypass it. So I tried to get this started, but it was not responding. So yeah, here we go. So take the negative wire off, take the positive wire off. This small blue one is just for the light inside. Those goes to the fan. And yeah, what to do now is connect the negative connect the positive, and then take just for troubleshooting, take a piece of some wires that works, and as you can see here there are letters. And then you should connect C and T. And it's holes in this terminal, so just put them in like that. C and T. It's hard to do with one hand. There it is. Just bridged C and T. Hook the power on. The hardest thing is to get them to stay there, but as you can hear, it's running. So now I'm just gonna put in a water bottle in the freezer and try it out. But as you can see, that was a real easy fix. That controller unit is basically half the price of a brand new fridge, so it's insanely expensive. So yeah, what you need to do this correct from this, now we just troubleshoot it so we know everything is good, works, runs. You need to order an thermostat, drill a hole here somewhere and put the cable through. Those thermostats you can find on basically all sites like Amazon, eBay, etc, etc. And that's the normal thing. Most fridges has the thermostat on the inside, so I'm just gonna put one of those in. Cost basically nothing, and now I have a working freezer. As you have seen in my earlier episodes, last year I did put in one more fridge. It's a different model from this one. This one is the same model as the other one. So I'm gonna replace that white one I put in last year with this, and that white one I'm gonna tear down and convert to a freezer box. And this one I picked up for basically nothing. It was as close to free as I can get. And these things are expensive, so real happy with this. Just a new... The only thing it needs is a new thermostat, and that's spare parts for basically no money at all. Yeah, now it's running, so now it's time to test it. Some water in a PET bottle. Whoop. Something like that. And yeah, these modern or more modern fridges, they have a feature, maybe you can see it there, just underneath the ice box and just on top of the water collection bucket, there is it's basically water-filled plastic container, so that makes the temperature in the freezer part a lot cooler and a much more even temperature in the rest of the fridge. Downside, it takes quite a long time to start them up, but when they are down to temperature it's much more efficient, so I will guess it will take 2 hours maybe to get that the water bottle frozen. So I will be back in a couple of hours and we will check, and I will time it, so I will see. And yeah, now I'm running it on 12 volts, so maybe it would have been faster on 24 volts. We will see when I install this in the boat. In the boat I have the options to run it on both 12 and 24, so, and this runs on both, so I'm gonna run this on 24. So we will see then, but be back in a bit when this has frozen. Yeah, so now it's been about 2 hours and 45 minutes, so almost 3 hours, so let's see. Not solid frozen, but it started to ice up. That's good enough for me for this test, so now it's just to turn it off. If I find a good thermostat on Amazon, I will leave an affiliate link down below in this video description. So yeah, ta-da! Lights, everything works. Ta-da! One fridge, troubleshoot and fixed.